Feel most welcome. My name is Jeffrey Kerosi for Kerosi TV. Today we are going to discuss the effects of Supreme Court decision of Kenya, Supreme Court of Kenya decision on the economy. An hour after the Supreme Court decision was announced, the Kenyan shilling fell by approximately 0.32%, according to analysts. Then there was panic at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Mostly foreign investors made panicky transactions. According to SABC News, $484 million were lost in less than 10 minutes after the Supreme Court made their decision about the NASA case, which was in court challenging the election of President Uhuru Kenyatta. Harikani Saju is one of the analysts who are supporting this narrative, but Mr. Kwame Owino, the CEO of Institute of Economic Affairs Kenya, is of a different opinion. The Supreme Court of Kenya ordered fresh presidential elections within 60 days. Another effect that the Supreme Court decision had on the economy was that the currency depreciated from 102.81 units against the dollar. It depreciated and was exchanging at 103.14 by 12:52 p.m. So this is one of the effects of the Supreme Court decision, which was made on 1st of September. The effect on bonds is that the 2 billion sovereign. Now we have seen that after the Supreme Court decision, the stock market lost $484 million due to the panic which was brought about by foreign investors who started selling their stocks in the Nairobi Stock Exchange. There was also, we have looked at the currency depreciation. 102.81 units were going against a dollar. This depreciated and was exchanging at 103.14 at 12:52 p.m. on 1st of September. The other effect is on the bonds market. The $2 billion sovereign bond, which is maturing in 2024, fell by 1.25 US cents to 103.5 cents. This is according to TradeWeb data. This is the lowest since mid-August. Trading at the Nairobi Stock Exchange resumed after 1 p.m. on Friday. Actually, the Nairobi Stock Exchange Twitter handle, it was reported that the trading at the exchange, the Nairobi Stock Exchange, was stopped at 12:30 p.m. on Friday, but resumed at exactly 1 p.m. So there was quite a small effect on the stock exchange, and also we have seen there was an effect on the exchange rates, and finally there was a slight effect on the bonds market.